Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Minute Eats, where I show you super quick videos about how to make your favorite foods. Today we're going to be making pan-fried tomatoes, which is super tasty and a great appetizer. Let's get started.
In our first bowl, let's add a 1/4 cup of milk and 2 eggs. Whisk that together and set it aside. Next, to a separate bowl, let's add 1 cup of cornmeal, and to a final bowl, 1 cup of flour. Mix with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Slice 2 red tomatoes and dab them with a paper towel to get rid of extra moisture. Now let's dip the tomatoes in flour, then in the egg mixture, and finally in the cornmeal. Now let's pan fry the tomatoes on medium heat until they're golden brown. And that's it. Eat it as an evening snack or as an appetizer with your favorite sauce. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more videos on 1 Minute Eats.